Lunchtime?
Lunchtime!
All right, my friend. Let's dig in.
Fantastic. Chicken and fries.
I'll be right back.
Okay, alright.
Watch my plate for me.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, what's up?
What are you up to today?
Okay, that's cool. Gotta go. I gotta finish my lunch. Oh. Yeah?
Nathan! How dare you eat the chicken that I made for us?
No.
Thief!
You're just jealous that you have the smaller piece of chicken.
You're a liar!
What? I'm not a liar. I'm everything else but a liar.
Someone else just walked in here and ate my chicken right in front of you?
That sounds like the logical thing that happened.
And this is the end of everything. You have just become my mortal enemy. I will hunt you till the day I die. The next time I see you, you will be nerfed to the ground.
Oh yeah? I'm gonna nerf you to the ground +1. +1.
Nerf battle. Right now.
Can I invite some of my friends though?
Yeah, that'd be fun. Yeah.
Cool. I'll go home right now. Alright guys, welcome to Red Team, where our only point of existing is to destroy Aaron Esser.
But why? What did he ever do to you?
Besides the point, okay? He hurt me at the most vulnerable point.
Dude, I'm in.
Gear up, let's go! Come on! Why are you wearing a yellow shirt?
I'm mac and cheese and ketchup, dude.
That's so cool.
You're going down, Nathan.
Blue squad ready?
Ready.
I do have to be home in time for dinner.
Cue the slow-mo montage.
Guys, strategy is key, okay? We cannot give up.
I'm coming for you.
I'm taking him now. Wait. What do I do? Shoot anyone with blue, okay? Let's go! I got him! Nice! Everybody break! Nathan's mine! I didn't eat your food, Aaron! You're a dirty liar and you know it! Hey, look at this guy. Such a moron.
Dude, hit him!
Hit him!
You hit him!
No, you hit him!
No, you hit him!
His movements are just too majestical.
Too great!
You know what sucks and is red? What? Your blood gonna be spilled all over this ground!
A little bit dark, isn't it?
You coward! I'm coming for you!
Dude, you're literally the worst shot ever.
No, I'm not. Literally, you are, man.
Let's get him!
Whoa!
Shoot, I'm out of ammo.
Me too. Let's look for some.
You lied to yourself. You lied to yourself since the beginning.
Where are you?
But you couldn't live with your own arrogance. I did not eat your chicken.
Liar! You red scum. You're mine.
It wasn't me.
Where are you?
You want to be this way?
Hey guys, do you need some ammo?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Whoa, is that Aaron Esser? I'm totally subscribed to that guy.
Yeah. I guess we're all out of ammo.
What does this mean then, huh?
Tomorrow, by the lake, red team versus blue team.
Works for me.
Sure you don't got anyone's lunch you gotta eat tomorrow at that time?
Everything.
Yeah, that's right. Death to red team! Death to Reds! Nathan.
Aaron.
You guys are going down.
3-on-2 seems a little unfair, doesn't it? You guys don't even stand a chance.
You guys didn't even stand a chance.
We're gonna super soak you so hard.
We getting ice cream after this, guys?
Absolutely.
Like maybe some mac and cheese or something?
Shut up.
I'm sick of this. Get 'em, boys!
Operation Outnumbered, let's go! Operation Outnumbered, let's go!
Grab a vehicle! Grab a vehicle!
Haha.
Nice.
You're going down, Aaron Esser! In the direction I'm turning.
This is war!
Come and get me, Nathan! I'm coming to get you, Aaron! You're mine! You're done! It's so slippery.
You gonna come and get me or what?
Don't tease me!
Durant, let's go. I need you.
What, man? You look like you're doing great.
I'm going to get you! It's a big gun. See, Aaron, I would finish you off, but I'm just having too much fun.
I'll come get you one day, Nathan. One day.
These are so cool. These are the best birthday presents ever.
Hello?
Hey, Aaron!
Nathan, happy birthday, man.
I just got all the new Nerf Super Soaker stuff for my birthday. And I challenge you to the most epic Super Soaker battle ever.
What?
Bring blue team and prepare to lose!
Oh, blue team's coming for you. You better believe it. We're gonna destroy you on your own birthday.
Okay, bye.
Oh, Nathan, you're going down and you're never gonna see us coming.
Aaron's not gonna see what's coming for him today. My new Robo Blasters. Mom, do we have any hoses for today? What's that, Mom? Red team, we're gonna have the best birthday party ever! And we're gonna beat blue team! Yeah, dude. Dude, that was correct. Blue team!
We're gonna beat red team in this Super Soaker battle. And beat Nathan once and for all.
Yeah!
Let's move, boys. Quick, quick, let's go. Let's go. Go. We're coming for you.
Man your stations! We're not giving them this beach! We're gonna win the Super Soaker battle! Yes! I'm out! Full steam ahead! We're gonna take up the Robo Blaster! No! Let's go! Blue team's advancing! Red team, move up! Don't let them get here! Here they come! Activate the battle arena. Yes.
Full speed ahead! Get to the beach! Get to the beach! Move! Moving! Keep moving! Fire! Alright, let's move, blue team! Looks like you guys are on your own!
Get super soaked! Aaron's out! Yeah!
You're not invited to my birthday party. Loser. Yo! What are we gonna do without Aaron? It's okay. I got a plan. Get here!
I think I got one!
Go, let's do it!
I'm out!
Yeah!
Get them!
To the left! To the left!
I'm out. Woo! Get out of here, red team! Don't come back! Bad.
Yeah! Dude, look at that.
Here they finally come. They don't even have a chance. No. Got him.
Blue side, take the blue side!
Don't let them take blue team base! Get them!
Take the blue base! The interstation! Grab the bird! All alone. This is for you, Aaron. Hope you're still out there. Surprise!
Abandoned battle arena! Everyone for themselves! Abandon the battle arena! Sweet! Oh, no!
Awesome.
It's only the two of us left, and I'm gonna win. Robo Blasters, activate!
For blue team! Oh, okay, I'm out!
Yes! Victory for red team! Yeah! Huh? What? Huh? What's going on with my Robo Blasters? Huh?
Game over.
I'm out.
Yeah! Blue team victory! I was never out. I was watching you the whole time. You know what, Nathan? Happy birthday, man.
You know what? This is actually my best birthday I've ever had.
Yeah?
Yeah,
That was the most epic Super Soaker battle ever.
I loved every part of it. It was so much fun.
Come here, man. Let's go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you. Oh, you. You did it again.
How's it going?
What are you up to today? Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, cool. Cool. You want to hang out soon? Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh.
Hey guys, I get asked all the time, what is my favorite blaster or water gun? And that is easy, the Spyra 3, one of the best blasters ever made. If you want the Spyra 3 or any other Spyra product, check out my link in the description at spyra.com/AaronEsser for 10% off. Check it out, they're awesome. Thanks so much for watching.